Hello and good morning. This is Devasis Mohanty. Once again welcoming you all to our standard 8 linear equation in one variable chapters. And in the last days we have already done the discussion of the exercise 2.1 where we got the knowledge that how to solve the linear equation and how to find out the value of the variable. Okay, and today in the exercise 2.2 actually we have to face the practical problem. It means actually first exercise and this exercise both are same. The difference between the two exercises is in this exercise whatever the word problem it will be given, otherwise the practical situation it will be there. That practical situation we need to convert it into equation form. Then after you have already know that how to solve the equation. Okay, equation formation it is the important one. Equation formation it is the important one in this chapter. In this exercise, equation formation it is the important, otherwise how to solve the equation it is already known to you. Ready? So first we have to just read the first question of exercise 2.2. Okay. If you subtract 1 by 2 from a number and multiply the result by 1 by 2, you get 1 by 8. What is the number? It means if you subtract 1 by 2 from a number means unknown. Whenever you are getting the unknown term, on behalf of unknown term, we just have to implement the variable. You can implement the variable either x, otherwise y, otherwise z, otherwise abc, anything. Understood or not understood? So which one it is the unknown one? Always you have to introduce to that unknown value in the form of the variable x, y, z, otherwise anything. Ready? So here it is given that if you subtract 1 by 2 from a number, suppose the number it is x, you can write the answering step just like this. Suppose the number equal to x, otherwise let the number be x. Whenever I subtract 1 by 2 from a number, whenever I subtract 1 by 2 from a number is x. Whenever I subtract 1 by 2, it means x minus 1 by 2. Now the difference is x minus 1 by 2. Now this much it is ready. So it is given if you subtract 1 by 2 from a number, 1 by 2 subtracted from a number, then after and multiply the result by 1 by 2. Multiply the result means difference. This one it is the difference, otherwise result of 1 by 2 minus x. This one it is the result. Whenever you are multiplying the result by 1 by 2, it means x minus 1 by 2 into 1 by 2, you will get 1 by 8. So our equation it is ready. So our writing style should be just like this. Let the number be x. So whenever 1 by 2 it is subtracted from the x, so number becomes x minus 1 by 2. Again, whenever 1 by 2 it is multiplied with the total result, so it means now the number becomes x minus 1 by 2 into with total result multiplied means bracket, with the total it is multiplied by 1 by 2. So it gives 1 by 8. So the equation becomes x minus 1 by 2 bracket outside bracket with the result 1 by 2 multiplied into 1 by 2 is equal to 1 by 8. So it means, once again repeating, the equation it will be x minus 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 is equal to 1 by 8. This question also I will do in the two ways. Okay, so first I am showing you one way, then after I will do it in the another ways. Okay. So first way we will open the bracket. Then in the second way, without opening the bracket also we can solve it. Okay, see, whenever we are opening the bracket, actually it is in the form of a minus b whole into c. It is outside the bracket, so you know that a minus b whole into c means a into c minus b into c. So this one it is just like the situation that multiplication is distributive over the subtraction. So for which x we are multiplying with 1 by 2, which means x by 2. And secondly, 1 by 2 it is multiplied with 1 by 2, which gives 1 by 4. Right side it is your 1 by 8. Up to this clear? Actually, whenever we will solve the linear equation in one variable, actually we are solving, the main purpose of solving is to get the value of the unknown one, otherwise the variable one. So here the unknown, it is x, but with the x here it is 2, it is divided. Thereafter from it also minus 1 by 4 it is subtracted. In my last class I have already said, whenever with x multiplication division is there, also addition and subtraction it is there, always you have to separate the addition and subtraction, then after multiplication and division. Ready? So for which 1 by 4 minus 1 by 4 I am transposing to the right side. So for which the equation becomes x by 2 is equal to 1 by 8 plus 1 by 4, which is equal to LCM, it is equal to 8. So numerator becomes 1 plus 2, which is equal to 3 by 8. It means x by 2 it is equal to 3 by 8. But I want x. But here with the x by 2 means 2 it is divided. So I must have to separate the 2 from left side to right side. It means whenever we will do the transposition of 2 from the left side to right side, here the divided 2, it becomes multiplied 2 there on the right side. So for which x is equal to 3 by 8 into 2, which is equal to 3 by 4. It is easy or difficult? Okay. The same question once again I am doing in the another way. You just have to focus on the board. Okay. Another way is how we can solve the same without opening the bracket. Okay. Listen, whenever we are solving any of the expression, Badmas rule we can apply. First bracket, then after division, then after multiplication, then after addition, then after subtraction. But whenever we will do the solution of the equation, whenever we are solving the equation, there it is the opposite one. First it is addition, subtraction. Addition, otherwise subtraction you may transpose, then after multiplication or division, then after bracket work. Okay, understood and not understood? So expression solving Badmas, but whenever we will solve the equation, oppositely addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, then last one it is our bracket. Clear? So it means the equation we have already formed, x minus 1 by 2 whole into 1 by 2 is equal to 1 by 8. So I said always I want the x, but x is within the bracket. So let the bracket be separate. How to separate the bracket? With the bracket 1 by 2 it is multiplied. So whenever 1 by 2 it is multiplied, that 1 by 2 I am transposing to the right side. Whenever 1 by 2 multiplied means 2 it is divided. So on the right side 2 becomes multiplied to 1 by 8. So it becomes 1 by 4. So now the equation becomes x minus 1 by 2 it is equal to 1 by 4. But I want x, but with the x now minus 1 by 2, it means 1 by 2 it is subtracted. So it means whenever I will transpose the 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 from this side to right side, so now the new step becomes x is equal to 1 by 4, 1 plus 1 by 2, which is equal to, on solving you can get it as the 3 by 4. Understood both the ways? In both the ways the same question can be done. Which one you feel easy, in the same way you just have to do it in your copy. Understood or not understood? Then after question number 2. The perimeter of a rectangular swimming pool is 154 meter. The perimeter of a rectangular swimming pool, it is 154 meter if its length is 2 meter more than twice of its breadth. Length is 2 meter more than whom? Twice of its breadth. Then what will be the length and breadth of the swimming pool? Finally, it is asked that you just have to find out the length and breadth of the swimming pool. Okay. See, length and breadth it is not given, but the relation between the length and breadth it is given. Perimeter it is given 154. Actually, perimeter means one of the equation, 2 whole into length plus breadth equal to this much. Perimeter means equation. And length and breadth it is the relation given. Length is 2 meter more than the twice of its breadth. Length depends upon the breadth. Suppose I am giving you one example that my amount it is 2 more than Rama's amount. Rama having how much? My amount it will be 2 more. It means I depends upon Rama. So for which in that situation always you have to take the variable it as the Rama's amount. So that Rama's amount is x, so that my amount it will be x plus 2. Why I did just like this? Because my value depends upon Rama. Okay, so who is the dependent? I am the dependent. Who is the independent one? Ramu is the independent one. Always you have to choose that value as the variable first, which one it is independent. Otherwise reverse way we can do, but the easy one I am saying that which one it is the independent, that one you have to choose it as the variable x. Ready? So here it is the length depends upon the breadth. Length depends upon the breadth. How the length depends upon the breadth? Because the length is 2 meter more than whom? Than the twice of the breadth. Whenever breadth it is given, twice of a breadth, from the twice of a breadth, it will be 2 more, means plus 2, it will be length. So for which 100% I have to choose the breadth it as the variable. Ready? Suppose the breadth is equal to x. Suppose the breadth is equal to x. So the length equal to, length it was said 2 meter more than twice of its breadth. So breadth equal to x. So the twice of a breadth equal to 2x. From the twice, how much more? 2 more. It means 2x plus 2, it will be our length. Whenever breadth it is your x, twice of a breadth equal to 2x. 2 more than twice of a breadth means 2x plus 2. So it means breadth it is x, length it is our 2x plus 2. Again also perimeter it is given 154 meter. Remember one of the important thing that unknown value we can find. Unknown value we can find whenever we will solve the equation. Ready? So perimeter equal to 154 meter, always that perimeter related equation will give you the solution. Perimeter it is equal to 154 meter. So perimeter equal to 154 meter, it means perimeter formula it is known to you, 2 whole into length plus breadth. Ready? So it means 2 whole into length plus breadth is equal to 154 meter. Only now you have to put the value of the length and breadth in the equation. Actually we got our equation, 2 whole into length plus breadth equal to perimeter. So 2 whole into length plus breadth equal to perimeter value, it will be our 154 meter. So in place of a length I am putting it as the 2x plus 2, and in place of a breadth I am putting it as the x. So the equation becomes 2 whole into 2x plus 2 means length plus x means breadth is equal to 154 meter. Next step it will be 2 whole into, here within the bracket 1 2x, another x it is there, 2x plus x equal to 3x. Within the bracket I am writing 3x plus 2 is equal to 154 meter. Understood? So with the bracket 2 it is multiplied. With the bracket 2 it is multiplied. I have already said whenever bracket is there, multiplication is there. First we have to separate the multiplication to the right side. So it means only our bracket, because within the bracket we have the x. So for which we are keeping the bracket term, it will separate. So it means 3x plus 2 it is equal to 154 divided by 2. Because 2 it is multiplied with the bracket in the left side. So whenever I am transposing it to the right side, it becomes divides. 2 divides. Ready? So 3x plus 2 it is equal to 77. 154 divided by 2 is equal to 77. I want x, but x it is multiplied with 3. Then after added with 2. So my formula it is, first we have to separate the additions and subtraction. So for which 3x equal to plus 2, on the right side it becomes minus 2. So for which 3x equal to 77 minus 2, which is equal to 75. 3x equal to 75, I want x. With x3 it is multiplied. So on the right side it becomes divides. So it means x is equal to 75 divided by 3, which is equal to 25. Everyone understood? But don't feel that x we got, it means our value we have already got. Actually it is asked that you have to find out the length and breadth. X equal to 25 meter, it means only we got it as the breadth. Then how to find out the length? Length is equal to 2x plus 2. So length equal to 2x plus 2 means 2 into x means 25 meter plus 2, which is equal to 2 into 25 equal to 50 plus 2 is equal to 52 meter. And therefore the length and breadth of the rectangular swimming pools are 52 meter and 25 meter respectively. Easy question or difficult? Easy question or difficult? Okay, so get ready to do the next question. In the question number 3, it is given that base of an isosceles triangle it is 4 by 3 centimeter. Base of an isosceles triangle it is 4 by 3 centimeter and perimeter of the isosceles triangle it is 4 whole 2 by 15 centimeter. Perimeter given and base it is given, and it is asked that you have to find out the length of the either sides of the triangle. Either side of the triangle means it is an isosceles triangle, means base it is given and these two are the equal sides. You just have to find out the value of the equal sides. Ready? And which one it is not known to you, it means this one it will be unknown for you. Which one it is not known to you, it means that one it will be unknown for you. So which one it is unknown, that one you have to take it as the XYZ, otherwise anything. Okay, so for which first I am writing it as the here base of the isosceles triangle it is equal to 4 by 3 centimeter and perimeter of an isosceles triangle is equal to 4 whole 2 by 15 centimeter. Ready? And perimeter of the isosceles triangle, otherwise any of the triangle, it is also same as the sum of the three sides. Actually perimeter means the total distance around the figure, and for the polygon means triangle, it is the sum of the three sides. So for which perimeter it is equal to 4 whole 2 by 15 centimeter. Equation ready? I said to find the unknown, always there it is the equation it will be required. So here our required equation it is ready. Which one it is? Our perimeter it is equal to 4 whole 2 by 15 centimeter. For which I am extending this one with the next step. Perimeter means sum of three sides. So base it is given 4 by 3. So for which I am writing 4 by 3 plus another two side is x, and I have already chosen x. Another one it is x because the two of its sides are equal. So for which we are extending the equation solution just like this. 4 by 3 plus x it is equal to the mixed fraction. I am converting it into improper. It becomes 62 by 15 centimeter. Then after next step becomes 4 by 3 plus 2x is equal to 62 divided by 15. I want x it is multiplied with 2, then after added with 4 by 3. My formula it is, first I have to transpose the addition subtraction. Here it is addition 4 by 3 transposing to the right side. So next step becomes 2x equal to 62 by 15 minus 4 by 3, which gives us 42 divided by 15. Then after 2x equal to 42 by 15, but I want the x. So for which with x2 it is multiplied. So whenever I will transpose the 2 to the right side, it divides the right side. So it implies 2x equal to 42 by 15. So for which x is equal to 42 by 15. 42 by 15 into 1 by 2. Into 1 by 2. Otherwise 15 into 2. Both are same. Ready? And after simplification 2 will cancel that one, and after simplification 1 will get it as the x is equal to 7 by 5. 7 by 5 means 7 by 5 centimeter. So one can write the answer at the last. Hence the length of the either side of the isosceles triangle it is 7 by 5 centimeter. Ready? Question number 3. I hope it is easy for you. Okay, then after question number 4. Question number 4 it is the interesting question, and question number 4 it is given that the sum of two numbers it is 95. Sum of two numbers it is 95. Okay, again one exceed the another by 15. Here nothing it is given, no number it is given, only it is given that the sum of two numbers it is 95. Sum of two numbers it is equal to 95. Again it is given that one exceed the another by 15. One exceed means one is more than the another by 15. Understood or not understood? So for which this question can be done in two ways. This question can be done in two ways. So first I am showing you the one way, then after I will do it also in the another way. Okay, so I want to start it from the right side. Sum it is 15. One exceed the another by 15. One exceed the another by 15. So it means from the one number another one it is more by 15, otherwise from one another number it is less by 15. Okay, exceed means from one another one it is more by 15, otherwise from one another number it is less by 15. Either you can take anything, you can solve it. Okay, so for which one exceed, I am choosing the another side. One exceed the another by 15. In this question I will choose the right side, or I will choose the left side. So first I am starting from the right side. One exceed the another by 15. Suppose one number is x, another number it will be x plus 15. So that x plus 15 it will be more than x. by 15. So for which x plus 15 exceeds x by 15. Two numbers ready. So the two numbers are x and x plus 15. Again, first one it is given sum of the two numbers, it is 95. One number it is x, another one it is x plus 95. So the equation I am writing. So now the equation it is x plus 15 is equal to 95. On solving, the next step becomes x plus x equal to 2x plus 95 plus 15 is equal to 95. Ready? So which is equal to, I want the 2x. So for which I am transposing the 15 to the right side. It implies 2x equal to 95 minus 15, which is equal to 80. Ready? It implies 2x equal to 80. So 2 here it is multiplied, that 2 I am transposing to the right side, which divides the 80. So it means 2x equal to 80. It implies x equal to 40. But we want the two numbers, x equal to 40. Another number I have chosen it as the x plus 15. So whenever one number it is 40, another number it is x plus 15, means x means 40 plus 15 is equal to 55. Hence the two numbers are 40 and 55. In this question I have chosen the right side first. Means another one number exceeds the another number by 15. Okay. But here in this OR question, another alternative way I will think the first one, sum of the two numbers it is 95. Okay, so I am starting from the first sentence, sum of the two numbers it is equal to 95. Remember, sum of the two numbers it is 95. Acha, this number it is 95. Acha, one number it is 10. From the 10, one number it is 2. Another number is 10 minus 2. Total number it is 10. From the 10, one number it is 2. Another number will be 10 minus 2 equal to 8. So in the same way we will start. Suppose the sum of two numbers it is equal to 95. Suppose from the 95 one number it is x. Whenever one number it is x, how much left? 95 minus x. Suppose the sum it is equal to 95. One number it is x. So another number 100% 95 minus x. Okay. Just like 10. Sum of two number is 10. One it is 2. Another one will be 10 minus 2 equal to 8. In the same way, whenever the sum it is 95, one number it is x, another number it will be 95 minus x. Ready? So again it is given that first sentence ready. So it means one number it is our x, another number it is our 95 minus x. Previous one x and x plus 15, we choose the first number and second number. But here I am choosing the from the first sentence, that one it is x, another one it is 95 minus x. Okay, so that one we will put it in the second sentence. Second sentence it is given that one exceeds the another by 15. One number it is more than the another by 15. So for which I am choosing the first number it is more. Also you can choose the second number more, no problem. So exceed by 15 means their difference it is equal to 15. So x minus within the bracket 95 minus x, first number minus second number, it is equal to 15. Which implies, on opening the bracket, it implies x minus 95 plus x is equal to 15. X which is equal to 2x minus 95 is equal to 15. First I have to separate the plus. So 2x, so first I have to separate the minus. So 2x equal to 15 plus 95, which is equal to 110. 2x is equal to 110. It implies x is equal to 55. I got the x, but another number I choose in this way, it is 95 minus x. So one number it is x, which is equal to 55. But in this way, another number I choose it as the 95 minus x. So for which the another number becomes 95 minus x means minus 55, which is equal to 40. Hence the two numbers are 55 and 40. Ready? Let's go to do the question number 5. See, in the question number 5 it is given that the ratio of the two numbers it is 5:3. The ratio of the two numbers are 5:3. And their difference is 18. Their difference it is equal to 18. So find out the two numbers. The two numbers are in the ratio of 5:3. Ratio does not mean that the value it is 5 and 3. Actually ratio means one it is 5 times, another one it is 3 times. 5 times, another one it is 3 times of the number. Understood or not understood? This one it is a 5 part, this one it is 3 part. Actually 5:3 means, it does not mean that 5 and 3. It means that 5 part of a number and 3 parts of the same number. Understood or not understood? So for which I am choosing just like this. Suppose the two numbers are 5x and 3x. 5 parts of x and 3 parts of x. Ready? 5 parts and 3 parts of a number, of a equal number. 5 parts of which number? 3 parts of the same number. Okay? So 5:3 means 1 it is 5 part of a number and 3 part of the same number. Ready? So for which the two numbers are 5x and 3x. Ready? Variables ready? Okay? Then after it is given the difference, it is 18. Difference is equal to 18 means it will give you the equation. Difference between the two number, it is your 18. So it means difference 5x and 3x. Which one it is greater? 100%. 5x it will be greater than the 3x. One number it will be multiplied by 5. The same number it will be multiplied by 3. 100%. The number multiplied by 5. 100% it will be more. So for which difference it is equal to 18. It means 5x minus 3x is equal to 18. On solving, it gives us 2x is equal to 18. Next step becomes 2x means x equal to 2 will transpose to the right side. It implies x equal to 18 divided by 2, which is equal to 9. After getting x, our solution has not yet over. We want the two numbers. Two numbers are not x. Numbers are 5x and 3x. After getting x, so the numbers are 5x means 5 into 9 equal to 45. And 3x means 3 into 9 is equal to 27. Hence the two numbers are 45 and 27. I hope the question number 1 to 5 all were easy for you, I feel. Okay. So anywhere, any problem, feel free to call me. No problem. Okay. So in the next days, we will do the discussion of the rest of the other question in many alternative easy ways also. Okay. So thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.